Hello everyone. Being a Sunday, it's a good day to do your preps, and I like preparing my dough wraps on Sundays, and I use flours, salt, and some just room temperature water. I make them by first portioning them into small balls, as you have seen. Secondly, applying some cooking oil in between each layer, like the way you're seeing me doing it over there, after which I'm going to roll them all together as one into one large rolled out dough, after which I'm going to run it through the heat, because you're not cooking the dough completely, you're just applying some heat on it on both sides, in order to, one, cook it halfway, and secondly, so that it is easy to peel off and to store as well. For the storage purposes, you need to dust it with flour in between. After you peel them, you remove the layers, you detach them one by one, and then sprinkle some flour in between in order to be able to store them in a chilled place. You don't freeze them, just keep them in a chilled area. As long as you're ready to prepare to add your fillings, you can always add them once they're cooled off. So do try this out. I'm going to show you some of the stuff I use with the wraps or later on videos, and also don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned to more of my videos by clicking the notification bell.